Is your iPhone or iPad displaying the wrong time? This can be frustrating, especially if it affects your daily routine. Here is the quick guide to help you fix this issue. So, your device shows the correct time. Let's get started. Solution 1. Enable Set automatically for date and time. Open Settings on your device, tap General, scroll down, then select Date and Time, toggle Set automatically on. Check if the time updates to the correct local time. Solution 2. Check location services for time zone accuracy. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Privacy and Security, tap Location Services and ensure it's on. Scroll down and tap System Services. Enable Setting Time Zone to allow your device to automatically adjust to your location. Return to Date and Time settings to see if the time is now accurate. Solution 3. Verify screen time or restrictions. Tap Screen Time and go to Content and Privacy Restrictions. If enabled, tap Location Services under Privacy, ensure location services are on, and make sure Setting Time Zone is allowed. Check if this resolves the time issue. Solution 4. Update iOS. Outdated software may cause time-related bugs. Open Settings, tap General, tap on Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. After updating, restart your iPhone. Following these steps should correct the time on your iPhone or iPad. If this guide helps, don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and stay tuned for our next guide.